Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am doing modern art that is very simple to do, very beautiful, colorful, and it will give a pop of color to any corner of your house. So without waiting, let's get started. For this, you can take any canvas, any size of canvas you want. Take acrylic colors. You would need a palette knife. If you don't have it, you can use the back of your spoon or a butter knife to do this, which is the back side of the butter knife. And later when we will coloring the figurines, you can actually pick up your cardboard or the cereal box cardboard, and with the side or with the edges you would be able to recreate this. So let me know if you have any questions about it. I'll be more than happy to answer you on the comment section. So our painting is almost done. I have used geometrical pattern and polka dots. You can use floral, you can go for shapes or whatever you prefer, any colors of your choice. You can also divide this painting into 3 parts using 3 different canvases and place one figurine into each and make it a set of 3. So I hope this tutorial was very easy for you to follow. If you happen to recreate this, kindly share your work with me. Tag me on Instagram, Easy Paintings by Ishita. And also you can share your work on my Facebook profile, Easy Paintings by Ishita. I will be waiting to hear from you guys. Until then, kindly subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and let me know via comments if you are starting this painting project for yourself. So have a lovely day, guys. Bye bye.